Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Is Always Miss Me, chapter 23. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Lulian and Wenchao. Yulian still, she was reading on the phone of Wenchao. Only personality peaceful, so it is mysterious. So right now she's been curious and want to see more. But look at Wenchao. She was only sitting there. Still free not in the dark but yearns for the light. She wants to stand. Besides, Fugiwa carefully weave at the growth of the rich and novel flowers and gently touch her petals with the branches and leave to show friendship. Oh, right now, you is every one of this written. Wenjiao said, it's almost. Now Wenjiao, she was really caught on the act. For Yulian, it seems that he really not feel good about this. Well, definitely. Seems to be not good on this. Just delete them all. Save them on your phone. There's no need to post them on public platform. Yulian said to Wenjiao, now, it's really getting crazy, right? On the other hand, Yulian, if my account is hacked, or I can't log in one day, it's all over. Well, she has some point. Wenjiao, she should really taking care, especially this matter. It was really important. Right now, Wenjiao said, are you angry? Looking at Yulian, she seems to be forced. Oh, definitely, she looks really angry. Turns out, Wenjiao, sometimes she is really careless, even though she was really smart, but right now, of course, Yulian is only worried about her. When I wrote it, I just recorded it and didn't think too much about it. Now she's trying to defend herself, but it was Yulian right now. She is not speaking, but looking at Wenjiao, she said to herself that she was lying. I just wrote this on purpose to satisfy my fantasy about my sister. Well, definitely, this is really not good. That's why Yulian, she is getting angry. I pray very much that my sister will see this one day, and it will be best if you would remember every word firmly in her heart. You don't have to explain it to me, Yulian said to herself. Well, definitely, she really got angry. Now, well, please send me a copy of these contents. As long as I don't put myself in the story, it's still pretty good. Oh, well, maybe she really wanted to read the story. But of course, she was really too shy about it. Right now, hearing this, Wenjiao, she seems to be happy again. Sister wants me to save this. Oh, definitely, she really wants to tease her. Wenjiao, she is really a tricky kind of girl. Newland said to her, I have a right to know. Oh, it seems that she is not angry anymore, but she really wants to read it. Now, finally, Yulian, she's already calm again. Okay, Wenjiao said to her, but suddenly her phone is ringing. Who could it be? Maybe there's important things matters about the company. Well, she should really answer the phone. Right now, let's go. It's time to go home. Yulian said to her. Well, definitely. It turns out it was Yulian's phone and someone is calling her. Wenjiao, she was still sitting. But Yulian answered the phone and said, okay, I understand. Well, Yulian, she was looking at Wenjiao. She was thinking something. How to coax her sister again. Maybe she was really offended her. You can go to the car first. I think I left something behind. I'm going back to get it. Okay, it turns out Yulian, she sees something outside. Right now, she's going for it. Well, it turns out she noticed that there's a flower bouquet shops outside that cafe, and right now she went through. Yulian said, hello. There's a lot of beautiful flowers to choose from. Well, let's see. She's going to give her a flower. She thinks that she already disappointed Wenjiao. Hello, can I help you? His sister suddenly wake up with a start. His sister is so beautiful. I can do it. Turns out, she was really mesmerized by the beauty of Yulian at this moment. Julian said to her, "Could you please get me a piece of wrapping paper?" Now she looks really serious. Is she really going to give her a flower? Well, maybe she was really going through. To coax her sister, "Do you want to give someone a gift?" Um, well, definitely. She really likes that purple flower. And now she's going to give it at Wenzhou. The shop lady told her, "You're welcome to visit us next time." Wenzhou, with the flowers, her aura is really good. She looks really beautiful. She looks really confident on herself. But suddenly the shop sisters already remember the girl customer is not an ordinary person, but they remember everything about her. Well, definitely, I was really in shock seeing Julian at the shop. Isn't this the wealthy lady who has been very popular on the internet recently? Well, definitely, news is really spreading faster. That's why most of the time people's noticing her. After talking to the shop lady, finally, she came out. Oh, she was really sweet. It was Wenzhou. Was waiting for her outside the car. Turns out she don't want to enter the car without her, right? Julian, seeing her take it, Claire said it was out of stock, so I bought it and throw it away when it withers. Julian said to her, "Well, what kind of the sweet things?" Now she's talking nonsense, right? Sister may have forgotten. We used to have a Cold War, but after we made up, she would always find excuse to send me a bouquet of flowers to express her apology in the tactful way. Well, definitely, it was the style of Julian, always trying to coax her. Get in the car and don't just stand there. Well, suddenly, Julian got fussed. And Wen Zhao, she looked back on her. Well, Wen Zhao, she flatting against her. Oh, jeez, it turns out he's going to kiss her. Definitely, she was really flattered by the actions of Julian. That's why she wanted to kiss her. Well, the relationship's getting better. There's no one's gonna take a photo of them kissing on the public, right? Wen Zhao said to her, "I like you." But for this moment, let's see on what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.